Oh, this is the Korean lock. Gateman WIDE WV-10. Okay. How to use it? Well, open the door from outside. You can use this kind of key. What do you call? I button or something key. Oh, you can put the password. Okay, that's a lock. And how can we open? Let's start. Okay. So this lock design very useful. Over here you also have a reset button. This is a 9-volt battery just for emergency use. For example, the battery on the back may be run out. Okay, that's cool. Let's have a look at the back. So over the back we can see, oh, they are all in Korean language. That's a little disaster. Anyway, let's open the back. I think the battery here, maybe. I think from top to bottom, this one forced to lock. For example, we lock. Oh, actually, I'll show you this way. For example, if now we close the door, we lock the door, we try to open from outside, maybe use the button. Okay. Oh no, I forgot it. This one here. So when the button turns red, we try to open from outside. So it's starting let you open. So this button here is anti or force lock. Okay, that's better. Oh, okay. So if you want to lock outside, let me show you again. So keep the door closed. Keep the door closed and use the four finger, just like this. Yeah, you can hear it's already locked. Same thing if you want entry. You may want to file four finger and put your password. Then press start. It's opened. Cool. Right, let's have a look at the next one. This one Korean language, but they have lock and unlock here. So this one, oh, this is the menu. You can menu now. Open, lock, open, lock. Okay. Open. There's another switch. A little detector. Looks like a sensor or something. Apparently this button here is open and close. And jump to the next on the number there on the top. Oh, there's a milk and volume 1, volume 2. If no voice, okay. What about number 2? Right. There's another button here called M, maybe menu. I for information or something. We're gonna check later. I think this detector light is for the battery because you have a 4A battery, you know, just to give you detection. For example, if the battery capacity is running low, and the speaker behind this panel here. So how can we change the password? I think okay. I think to change the new password is simply like so the panel is currently off. I think press I once, then the panel should appear something. Let's try. Okay, then the panel, oh, let's try one, two, three, 4, and then I button again. Okay, let's log first. Let's try the new password. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start. Yeah, that's the way to change the password. Oh. Yeah, very windy today. Yeah, it's pretty cool function. I love this log. Even all the writing wording in Korean, but you still can, able to figure out. So, but why on the front it's 9-volt battery? On the back they use A battery. That's a little bit. Oh well. Yep. If you like this video, yep, I will do more next. Thank you. Bye.